Alright guys, today for lunch I want to make these, I think they're chicken sliders or chicken sandwiches. Basically it's chicken. You shred it, add barbecue sauce, pineapple, cheese, and slaw. Then I would just try this cookbook out. I got some chicken from Whole Foods. I also got some of these hamburger buns. So I think I'm gonna cook this chicken in the air fryer, shred it, add some barbecue sauce. Instead of the pineapple ring like that, I'm just going to use a can of pineapple because I already have this chopped pineapple. I don't want to waste it. So yeah. So I have this chicken. I'm just basically shredding it, putting the spool right now. All right, shred the chicken up. Now I'm just going to mix some of this organic mild. Now I'm going to mix some of this pineapple sauce. I got Kinder's mild barbecue, and also the pineapple as well. All right, so I'm gonna be putting some of this mixture right here on the bottom part of the hamburger bun. Then I'm gonna add the cheese on top. This is Trader Joe's Kobe Jack cheese. And then all I'm gonna do is put this in the air fryer until it kind of melts a little bit. And then top it with coleslaw, the red coleslaw, and it's done. I can't wait to try this. All right, I took it out of the air fryer. It looks really cheesy. Now all I have to do is add some coleslaw. And I think with the top bun, I'm gonna put it in the air fryer for a couple of minutes to also toast it as well. And it's supposed to be like a healthy version. I think it's a healthy version of a chicken sandwich. Yep, looks good. All right, the top bun is nice and toasty. Just gonna add it to the sandwich. Looks good. I'm eager to try the sandwich out. I have some tater tots as well with it. But here's another close-up. I never made a chicken sandwich like this before. Maybe at a restaurant you can, it might be, but I'm excited to try this out. Let's try it out. It's good. I love how the buns are crispy. Cheesy. That I wanted to do more home cooking meals. Well, you guys really appreciate when I do home cooking meals. Crunchy. With the red cabbage. I think I added a little bit too much pineapple, but I didn't have the pineapple rings. I already had the little pineapples already here, so don't want to waste it, you know. And some tater tots. This is actually lunch before work. It is Sunday. I do have to work on Sunday. I don't know why. I'm not even available on Sunday. Whatever. Back to the sandwich. It's good. It's very tasty too. If you like barbecue, I think you like the sandwich. This is kind of like, this is really like kind of like a slider thing. But I decided to get hamburger buns. I did most of everything in the air fryer too. So today, I went to 2 stores today. I went to Kohl's. I got a new flannel with a hoodie. Also got some new shoes. And I went to Bath and Body Works and I got some hand sanitizers and a new pumpkin apple candle. I wanted to get some more new hand sanitizers, the mini ones. I like the mini ones a lot. So it's a fun day. I don't have to work until 6 p.m. tonight. Just a short shift, 6 to 10, so it's really easy. Well, I really like these short shifts. I think the bread's kind of soggy from the barbecue sauce, but whatever. Just had a coughing spell. Guys, my eyes look watery. Still coughing. Talked to a client today. She wanted a Reiki session, and I said I have a cough. I don't know if I can shishi you. So she gave me some suggestions for helping my cough. So I hope I can do that as well. She was like, "How long have you been coughing?" I go, 3 weeks. Like, oh, I've been coughing for a month. It's a little bit longer than you. So she gave me some suggestions like Mucinex and stuff. So hopefully my cough will end soon. It's just really hard to do videos when I'm coughing through the whole video. I have to cut so much out, but I love making videos so much, and I want to do videos. But it's like when I eat and talk, that's when my coughing gets worse. So it's so hard to do videos. It's just so hard. So that's why I'm doing those videos. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having better health than me. Pretty good sandwich. I probably give this 4 to 5. The bread is kind of soggy. Maybe it gets the barbecue sauce, and the coleslaw does kind of fall out. But it is a good. I don't know if this is supposed to be healthy. Oh yeah, it is a healthier. It says healthy cookbook, healthy recipes. That's why. That's good. I like it. All right, guys, you want to check this book out? It's called 30-Minute Cooking for Two, Healthy Dishes Without all the Fuss. And this was very easy to make. I made everything mostly in the air fryer. I want to try other recipes too. They have fish. They have Mexican breakfast bowls. They have like a fish bowl and chicken dishes. So I might try some other dishes just to try something new on this channel and different, you know. I mean, I made a lot of cooking videos. I made a lot of homemade tacos before. I turkey tacos, beef, chicken, did all that stuff. I made a tater tot casserole, I think once or twice on this channel. That's really good. Of course, I make my homemade burgers all the time. And I made spaghetti before. So I made a lot of different dishes. I thought I would just try some new dishes. And I didn't even know why I got this cookbook. It just came on my Amazon feed. And it's like, I don't know, I just bought it. So, oh. Alright guys, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.